Hi, let's talk about find the winners of a array game. So we're given the integer array of distinct integer and integer k. So basically you just have to keep comparing the first two integer and the smallest has to go back. And if the integer let wins the k times, we can actually return the number. So this is a little bit straightforward, but you have to find the easy way to solve it. So 2 and 1, you have to find the biggest one, which is 2. So which is 2, and then the current win is 1 for the 2. So 2 and 3, the winner is 3. So the current count win is actually 1. 3 and 5 is actually 5. So it's still 1. Alright, you push, you push 3 at the end. So you move everything forward, right? And then 5 and 4, the current winner is 5, right? So the count is actually, well, the win count is actually 2, which is equal to k. So how do you actually solve it? So if you notice, when you keep comparing the first two new integer, right? And basically, if the winner are different, the count is always 1, right? Like 2 and 1, the winner is 2. 2 and 3, the winner is 3. Since the winners are different, so the count is still 1. 3 and 5 is 5, so still 1. So basically, like, you just have to keep updating um, your current number if they are the same. Basically, it's like this, right? So I will have to store the current index 0 for the array, right? So I would say current number is actually array 0, and also I need to keep track of the wins count, right? So I will traverse the first one to the end, and if there is a number which is greater than the current number, right? I'm going to just set a current number to the array index and set a wins count equal to 0. So you don't say equal to 1. This is because what happens if they are not greater, right? Array I is not greater than current. Then you have to increment, right? So I will have to increment it here. So if that is equal to k, I'm going to return current, or I can say break, and I will return current right here. So this is actually really helpful. There's a tricky way, like every time you go through the iteration for a loop, right? You will just increment your wins count no matter what, even though it's losing, right? Because if you're losing, right, you're actually updating your current, right? So the count is still 1, right? Because I say set it equal to 0. And if you are winning, you don't go into this this if statement, and you still increment your wins. So you'll go through this if statement, you increment your wins first, and then you check your k. So this is pretty much a really tricky way to write a code. So let's talk about time and space. This is going to be a time, all of n, and this is going to be a space constant, and this is pretty much a solution. And I will see you next time. Bye.